Hello, friends. This is E. Giuliano, and it's the 22nd of March, 2022. And we're doing a Pirate Chain price chart update. We're going to see where we are over the past couple days, what has happened. So yeah, let's share the screen to jump into this Pirate Chain price chart using the CoinEx data. Yeah, I'm using getaurox terminal. I enjoy it. Okay, so I'm going to maximize this here and say, yay. We made it higher. That's a good sign. We made it higher. We made it into the box on a closing basis. We closed today's candle here of the 22nd. Now we've closed it on inside this box at basically at the previous wick high, if you see it there. So anyway, now the question is, oh, also we closed above this yellow downtrending resistance, which was created from all that previous price action back here. These two highs that participated in this, the potentially what we could argue is the beginning of this longer downtrend here. So yeah, so overall, that's good. It's closing above there, but now the question is, will it hold? And if the BTC shows weakness or there's any other thing like that, this thing could go either way. It could save its dollar strength by moving up if BTC is weak, or it could crash with everything else if everything's crashing while BTC is dumping and there's a lot of fear. We'll see how this plays out. But based on this chart, really, we would want to push higher into this zone here to challenge this previous price action. And that way, after pushing into this zone, potentially that would also include in making a higher high on the RSI. That way we wouldn't be forming bearish divergence yet. And same thing with the MACD. If we could make a bigger mountain, which, I mean, it's possible, we see back here. So if we can make a bigger mountain than this on the histogram, then we wouldn't yet be forming a bearish divergence. And then that would allow the price, after it has gone and up here, making higher highs with the momentum indicators. Then the higher high with those momentum indicators, higher high in the price here, it would then from this area be able to correct maybe down to this downtrending resistance, maybe even, sorry, support, downtrending support, and likely even through that potentially, if it's making a, let's say, a fourth wave of 5. And then maybe then on the next turn to the upside, maybe price would even go higher wherever it would go, but the oscillators then could possibly form some bearish divergence, and that would participate in a bigger turn down, which would reflect this whole move up from here to here. Now, what would the turn down look like? It depends if it's combined in a bigger move to the upside or if it's part of a full cycle to the downside in its own right. And either way, I think that poses a good position for the price chart, so that, you know, we get good strength in this move. We're looking for the price to get up here so that with another breakdown, it could go higher. And from there, correct whatever is the correction it needs. Okay, and then if it could stay in these types of levels here, if we would extend the box here. Oops, no, that's not what we wanted. We were to extend this box. How many times does that happen? Then it could come down to this level, or probably would have to come lower. But anyway, that's why the ideal is to get up into this green zone, so that if it does come down and break through this uptrending support line here, then it would be able to rest, let's say, at the top of this box. That's more of the idea. And maybe you get some wicks down to this lower end, similar to here, but that would hold. Like, that would be the super strong move. So yeah, so we're going to see what happens over the next few days here, because we have an uptrending resistance coming. So you want to watch that. If the price starts to break below that, I think we're done on this trend. It might still push higher once, but reject and then come further down. Otherwise, this uptrend here should hold for the duration of the move to the upside. And then from there, wherever it stops, we could break the trend line. Okay. Yeah, so that's basically the idea on the pirate chain price chart. It's looking good, but also watch for waning momentum on these indicators here. And I mean, the price is going to turn. It'll be obvious, I think, after it breaks down this this trend line. So first, it's either going to go up before breaking the trend line, or it's going to break the trend line, in which case we know that the steam on this move is over, and likely this push up is over as a collective move. So we'll see. First guess is it goes up first and then down. I mean, it could chop here before going up, but you know what I'm saying. Don't break the trend line. First go up into this green zone, even if it's wicks, but that's less strong. You want to close in this green zone, maybe even up to this level here. So even up to this kind of level here, which is about 5,600 Satoshis. Anyway, that would be a strong close. We'll see though. Okay, stick around for more. We just came off of 2 red corrective candles here, so we got 1 green. Let's see what we get in the next day or 2. But watch out for potential fear in markets. All right. Okay, that's about it for now. Then again, we're just watching the price chart. I know all of you pirates are holding that treasure in your booty. So that's it for now. Okay, wishing you very well. I'm going to stop share screening. And until next time, yeah, all the love, peace, and happiness you can manage. And of course, all the ARRR you can hold. Goodbye.